Hi, I'm Manny De Los Reyes from secondopinion.ph and I'm here in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay to show you a very unique new car, the all-new
Nissan Kicks e-Power. So what makes the Nissan Kicks e-Power unique? It's all under the hood. You might think that this Nissan is just another hybrid, but it's not. The Nissan Kicks e-Power is powered only by an electric motor. There's a gasoline engine, but it's not connected to the drive wheels. The gas engine only works to charge the battery and power the electric motor. You never have to recharge. As long as there are gas stations along the way, you'll never run out of battery power. Besides, you can travel as long as 900 kilometers on one tank full. Let's take it for a drive.
Driving the Nissan Kicks is pretty much like driving any ordinary car. It is very silent, especially when you're driving on electric mode. The Nissan Kicks has 3 driving modes. The default is normal. Press the drive mode button, you get sport. Press it again, you get eco.
The Kicks e-Power has 280 Nm of torque.
That's a lot of torque for a small car. There are 2 ways to charge its battery. One is when the gasoline engine turns on, it turns on purely to charge the battery. But the other way is through regenerative braking. Regenerative braking charges the battery whenever you brake and even when you slow down.
The front end of the Nissan Kicks e-Power shows the strong V-Motion 2.0 design we see on the Nissan Navara, Terra, and Almera. The rear is a bit more generic. Still, it's a bit sportier than other crossovers because of its sharply angled backlight or rear window. The side view shows off the car's perky personality best with its rising beltline and upswept windows that rise up to meet a D-pillar. The two-tone black roof treatment is yet another youthful styling gimmick that works very well on the Kicks e-Power. The Kicks e-Power features Nissan's zero-gravity front seats, which are designed to make you feel fatigue-free even after long drives. The Nissan Kicks e-Power has big round knobs that are easy to operate, even without taking your eyes off the road. It also has a large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin of the Nissan Kicks e-Power is a pleasant place to be in. It's spacious, well-crafted, and has soft-touch materials all around. You can even put a mountain bike inside. There you have it, the all-new Nissan Kicks e-Power redefines everything you know about electrified mobility. It's quick and fun to drive, it's incredibly fuel efficient, and you never need to stop to charge it. We hope you got your kicks from our quick take on the groundbreaking all-new Nissan Kicks e-Power. As for us, we drive off to get more kicks of our own. Thanks for watching!